Hello everyone, welcome to the online Node.js programming tutorial series from W3 Grads. This is the first part of Node.js file system lecture, where I am going to tell you guys how to read the content of a file in Node.js. So, let's get started. Node.js includes an FS module to access physical file system. The FS module is responsible for all the asynchronous or synchronous file I/O operations. So, I am going to tell you about the different file I/O operations using the FS module. Again, if you have to work with file system in Node.js, then you need to import the FS module using the require function. The statement for importing the FS module is shown here. Now, I will start with the file operation, which is reading a file. Here, you can use the readFile method to read the physical file asynchronously. Here is the syntax of reading a file. In this syntax, the readFile function includes three parameters as file name, options, and callback. The file name parameter specifies the full path and name of the file as string. The options parameter can be an object or string, which can include encoding and flag. The default encoding is UTF-8, and the default flag is R. The callback parameter refers to a callback function with two parameters, AIR and FD. This will get called when readFile operation completes. Let me demonstrate the file reading operation with the help of an example. I already have my Sublime text editor open, where I have already created a couple of files named testfile.txt and filehandling.js respectively. I will go to the test file and write some text as this is a sample text file to demonstrate file operations in Node.js. Now, I will save the file. Then I will go to my filehandling.js file, and start writing the code to read the file. So, I will straightaway write, var fs equal to require, and include the module name fs in single quotes. Then, in the next line, I will write, fs, then put a dot, and call the readFile method. Now, I will pass a couple of parameters, where the first one will be the file path and file name. Since my both files, testfile.txt, and filehandling.js are located in the same test folder in C drive, so I will simply mention the file name, and not the file path. Therefore, I will give the first parameter as testfile.txt wrapped in single quotes. For the second parameter, I will define a callback function with two parameters as AIR and data. Then, within the function body, I will include an if statement and pass the AIR parameter as expression under test. After this, I will go inside the if block and write, throw AIR. The readFile operation is either successful, or throws an error. This AIR parameter contains error information if any. Now, outside the if block, I will add a console.log statement, and pass data.toString method as an argument. The data parameter contains the content of the specified file. Then, I will go outside this readFile function, and end the statement with a semicolon. So, my code for reading the file is all set to be executed. Therefore, I will go to the search bar, and type cmd, and press enter. The command prompt window will open. Now, I will have to change the working directory to test folder in the C drive, so I will write cd // and press enter. Then in the next prompt, I will again type cd space test, and press enter. The working directory is now changed to test folder in the C drive. So, I will run my Node.js code. Therefore, I will write, node space filehandling.js, and press enter. You will notice the content of the test file displayed on the console. This process is for reading the file asynchronously. However, you can read a file synchronously using the readFile sync method. So, I will go to the text editor again, and get rid of this fs.readFile statement. Then, I will write, var data equal to fs.readFileSync. Within the parentheses, I will include the file name, testfile.txt in single quotes, and specify the encoding, UTF-8 in single quotes as well. Now, I will save the code again. Then, I will go back to the command prompt, and type node space filehandling.js, and press enter. I will see the file content displayed on the console once more. So, this is how you can read the file asynchronously, as well as synchronously. With this, I will conclude this video. I hope you have understood the concept well. In the next part, I will tell you how to write content in a file, and delete the file. So, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Until then, Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more interesting uploads. Thank you for watching this video.